Hello everyone, welcome to the Python tutorial series, and this is PyCharm platform. Today we learn how to write a program to sum of natural number but using the method of recursion. Recursion is a function that call itself, like if you define a function and you want to call this function by using the function. So function call function. Like how to do this? Let's start. Before, if you are the new user, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for the next video notification. Let's start. Before we start, for example, we have user input 5 number, so it means the natural number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 sum. It's very easy to write a program for like this, but this is a recursion method. So let's start. First of all, we have to define a variable like num for input because we require input in the form of number, so integer int, then input in bracket of message appear in the single quote of string, enter number. Due to this line, when you run the program asks enter number, you enter the number. Then def is using to create a function. Def function recur underscore sum is the only the name of the function. Okay, and the argument is n. After this, we apply a condition. If n value is greater than equal to less than equal to 1, he return n. Okay, if the user enter value 0, he returns 0 because the sum of the 0 is 0. If the user enter 1, he return 1 because 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, else if the user input the value is greater than 1, what happen? Then return. Now this is the new thing. Now function recursion underscore sum is recalls itself. Return n. If the value input by user is greater than 1, so return value is n plus the function n minus 1. It's very simple. For example, user input 5. Okay, so if user input 5, it means n value is 5 is greater than 1. This is not satisfied. Now this execute. Now return value n is 5 plus the function n minus 1. It means function value is 4, and when function value is 4, it return again this. It means 4 plus function value is 3. He return to the n value 3 plus function value is 2. He return 2. Function value is 1. He return 1. And the sum of the series is by the print command. So this is the method that this program is work. Okay, after this, one more condition. If num value, if the input value is less than 0, so what happen? Message appear, print enter a positive number. This message appear when if the value is input is less than 0. Okay, else if not is 0, then print result. Result is the in the string is the sum of natural any number is, then comma then function, and value is n. It's very simple. Now we run this program and check the again how the work this program. So enter value is 10, result is error. Okay, good. Sometime error is give me the learning. So error is this, the value is num, because we input the num value. Run, he asks a number input by user, we enter, and the sum of the natural number till 10 is 55. How it work? The first line tell me or ask me the enter a number, we put 10. Okay, now because in this function he argument is now is the value of num, so n value is now 10, is greater than 1, so this is not work, this is work. When this is work, the return value is n, it means 10 plus function recursion underscore sum and bracket 10 minus 1 is 9. You can't add like this 10 plus 9 is 19, because 10 is an integer, but this is a function with argument 9. With function argument 9, it means n value is 9. Now this is not work. Again this return value, so return value is 10 plus n value is now 9, and then this function with argument 8. Like that the sequence is add. If you input the value less than 0, enter a positive number, this message appear. Otherwise the sum of the natural number is the function, we call the function. 2 times we call the function, first time here and the second time the result is here. So if you like this video, if you if you like this video, please subscribe, share, click on bell icon. Thank you very much.